find a comfortable meditative posture. And for this meditation, you'll have your left hand in Gyan Mudra, thumb and index fingertips touch. Bring up your right thumb to block off your right nostril. You'll inhale deeply through the left nostril, and then use one of your fingers to block the left nostril and exhale through your right. And you'll continue with the same pattern throughout the entire meditation. You'll inhale through the left and exhale through your right. This meditation is a meditation for perspective and emotional balance. This is a perfect meditation for allowing your passion and your energy to be directed in the way that's most supportive for you. This alternate nostril breathing technique is one of the ancient techniques that was used to balance the emotions. As you continue to breathe like this, inhale through the left and exhale through the right, you'll bring more energy into the right side of your brain. So the right side of your brain is responsible for short-term memory, the opportunity to learn new things quickly. It's responsible for novel experiences, those new experiences that are exciting in life. The right side of the brain holds energy for that. It's also the very spontaneous and creative side of the brain. And it tends to hold a bit more of that emotional capacity. So when you draw energy in through that left nostril and direct energy into the right side of your brain, you're boosting that energy. You're boosting your capacity to create and experience novel things. And then, as you exhale through your opposite nostril, you get to reduce excess thinking, excess energy, anything that doesn't serve you from being willing to step into the unknown. Because we do have two sides of us. The side of us that likes the known, that likes the mundane, that likes the habits and the practical, steady schedule. However, there's that other side of us that keeps us alive, it keeps us awake, it keeps us free. And that's what this meditation and breath technique will help you do, is it'll give you perspective on how much time that you should spend on your practical day-to-day activities compared to diving into those unknown waters, that unknown realm of spontaneity and new experiences. So please continue with this breathing practice. Relax into it. Direct your mind. Allow yourself to move into unknown experiences. Follow the sound of the breath, or you may choose to use a mantra. Sat on the inhale and Nam on the exhale. take a deep inhale. Retain the breath. And exhale to relax. Release both hands down into Gyan Mudra and simply be present with the energy you're experiencing. Consider how you would like to direct your energy and your passion in your life. Good. Now please bring your palms together in front of your heart and honor yourself, your body. Sat Nam.